Ibin, are you hungry?
Yes, hungry.
What do you want?
I want porota.
Porota, one piece porota.
Yeah, one piece.
Maybe our boss inside, he want also porota, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will go shutter. I will buy. Bibili muna ako ng stocks namin. Nagutom. Dito na lang sa may shutter, mas malapit. Okay, guys. Dito pala yung mga Indian food. Ito yung mga fresh milk nila. Ayan o. Ito yung chai. Chai, this one brother, right?
Yeah, this one fresh milk.
Fresh milk chai. Ayan ang fresh milk chai nila. Meron din silang shawarma ron. Chicken shawarma. How much this one?
This one 1 dirham.
That one?
That one like big one 1 dirham, then small one, and then 2 pieces.
I will take that one.
Okay.
And this one. And 2 porota.
And 2 porota.
Yes. Parcel brother.
Okay.
So yun guys, nandito tayo. Bibili ako ng samosa. Vegetable samosa and cheese samosa. Isa kasama ko naman, porota. Pag-isa silang porota. Panipuri pare made of what?
Like water, then
Water.
sauce, yogurt,
Yogurt,
onion, then sauce, and like small potato.
Yeah, potato. Spicy?
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy, yeah? Oh, panipuri,
This
yeah?
one Pani Puri, yeah?
Okay.
South are very famous.
This is the famous panipuri, yeah?
Pani Puri, Asian.
So this is the set, huh?
Yogurt, sweet and spicy.
Spicy, ha?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Very nice food, ha?
Thank you, boss.
Okay, brother. Thank you, ha? O, yun. Pinakita rin sa akin, guys, yung mga panipuri. Dito naman, meron silang mga roasted chicken. How much full roasted chicken, brother?
This one full spicy, 27 dirham.
27.
Hummus, hummus, garlic, soup, salad, everything.
Okay. And how about the...
This one normal.
Normal,
26
ah.
with same set. Okay. Then half 17 dirham. This
dirham.
one like half 16 dirham.
So, yun, guys. Marami tayong natutunan sa kanila. Sana nagkaroon kayo ng mga ideya, mga pagkain ng mga Indian. This one, brother, what is this?
This one salted mango.
Salted mango.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
This one ice cream.
This one, you have ice cream also here, huh?
Ice cream. Different flavor.
Different flavor, huh?
Tender coconut mango.
Brother, what's your name, brother?
Rabindra.
Rabindra, bra. Rabindra.
Singh.
Are you from?
India.
You're from India?
Yes.
And what is this?
Cake. London
Ah.
cake, Jaffron.
This is homemade all?
Honey.
Sarap guys ng mga cake nila rito. Special, ah. Guys, pag gusto nyo magpaluto ng fish, ayan, fresh fish.
Fresh fish. All fresh fish.
Sherry this one?
This one sherry.
Sherry.
This one sherry.
This one sherry.
This one coffer.
Coffer.
Karanji.
Kalanji, ah.
Red snapper.
Red snapper.
Sibin.
Sibing. Okay. Doon guys, niluluyan. Tapos meron din silang second floor dito. Dito yung kainan sa taas. So, hindi ko na masyadong pupunta doon. Hindi na ako ganong aakyat doon guys. Maraming tao. Yan yung pwesto nila. Tabi lang yan dito ng highway. Ayan. Ito na pala guys yung order ko. Ayan. So yun lang guys.